How to pay your Discover credit card bill on desktop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to pay your Discover credit card bill, well here is how to do it online from your desktop. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Discover Bank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Discover Bank. Now here you simply have to log in using your credentials and once logged in on your main dashboard, you have to click on your credit card account to view payment option. And there you have to select make a payment and decide whether to pay the minimum due, statement balance or a custom amount. And there you can choose your payment source like a linked checking or savings account and enter the payment date. And once you're done with it, you have to review your details carefully and then click submit or confirm to send the payment. And once you do that, you'll get a confirmation screen and the payment will reflect in your account activity. And that's it. That's how you can pay your Discover credit card bill on desktop. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.